channel. This is Sahasra and today I'll be giving you guys a simple tutorial on how to make an easy room decor. Trust me, it is going to be very beautiful and colorful on your walls, in your room or wherever you're gonna place it. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, turn the notification bell on, smash that like button and share this video to your best buddies or your family members who love to do arts and crafts just like me. So with that being said, let's get on to the video. Things needed are an A4 size paper, cardboard, color pencils, artificial gemstone stickers, highlighters optional, rangoli or glitter, tape, Fevicol or glue and some wool. First you are going to take your paper. It might be white or colored, that completely depends upon you, and stick it onto the cardboard. Feel free to choose any shape of the cardboard. Next you are going to take another small piece of paper and then fold it as shown. Make sure it is just as the size of the horizontal length of the cardboard. When you have reached the end, just glue it. After this, you are going to take the cardboard on which we have stick the paper earlier and trace out some random patterns, quotes or proverbs on top of that. Make sure to do it with Fevicol for better results. I am going for the quote YOLO. After that, simply take some rangoli and sprinkle it on top. You can also use glitter. Rangoli gives even more bright colors, and that is the reason why I chose rangoli. You can even go for glitter. Next you are going to take your wool and braid it loosely. After you are done braiding, simply tie a knot on both the ends. Next, take the paper strip that we made earlier and place the wool on top of that. Then you are going to simply tape it. I would prefer taping rather than gluing because gluing would make it a lot messier. And then take the two parts and stick them together. Here you can use hot glue, Fevicol or super glue. Anything would work just as fine. Next, you are going to take your gemstone stickers and place them or stick them on one by one. You can choose any sticker, but here I am going for gemstone ones. You can also sketch out some patterns with sketch pens. I am just writing the full form. You can also use color pencils to sketch out patterns. I am going for the brick pattern. You can choose butterflies, flowers or any pattern which you would prefer. The camera couldn't really catch the color, but I did darken it off camera. An easy way to draw bricks is first by sketching out horizontal lines and then drawing vertical lines between them. You can also add some shading if you would prefer to. Now this is the final result. I hope you liked it. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on, and thank you for watching.